Do you know how hard it is to be ugly? I take 10 selfies and delete 12. Some girls post so much depressing love stuff that I'm starting to miss their exes. Some days I be feeling as useless as a G in lasagna. You're probably procrastinating right now, lol. I hate going to the kitchen and finding out I'm the only snack in this house. How do girls fail a pregnancy test? Just study, lol. Don't be sad, because sad backwards is das, and that's not good.
Women see a 140-pound white boy with a jawline and a nicotine addiction and are like, he's the one. When you try to pull up that little piece of skin next to your finger and it bleeds. Look at his face. Drink this or let your best friend die. Rest in peace, little bro. Gone but never forgotten. I would not drink that. IDKLC equals I'm not coming over, never was coming, never even considered it. That is so true.
Don't joke about murder. I was murdered once. Why do black people always say, "What's up, Monica," when they see each other? Am I the only person who thinks Dwayne Johnson looks like The Rock? Happy Labor Day to all the mothers that went through the worst pain known to man. Goodbye, America. Hello, New York. My sister's pregnant. I can't wait to find out if I'm going to be an auntie or an uncle. Atlanta spelled backwards is Atlanta. Bitch, damn, the NFL been around longer than our government. We had 48 state rules and only 44 presidents. I didn't know that. Who on here got a Twitter? I hate the United States government. I'm living in California. Fuck the U.S. A chicken Caesar salad sounds good right now.
Hate these girls be sad about their Mexican boyfriend, bro. You worried about the wrong Jesus. Motherfuckers be introverted and always want to smoke. Bro, you worried about the wrong high. Motherfuckers love astrology but be smoking every day. Bro, you worried about the wrong cancer. Dudes be failing their English class but be beefing with Mexicans. Bro, you worried about the wrong essay. Motherfuckers listen to TK but won't take it. Motherfuckers be listening to TK but won't take a look at a job application. Motherfuckers be beating their meat but too scared to ask out their credit. Bro, you worried about the wrong shots. Girls throw shade on social media but their foundation doesn't match their necks. Since you worry about the wrong shade. Dudes got an F in math but you ask you where the party's at. Bro, you worried about the wrong function.
Homophobia is so stupid. Who the hell is afraid of homes? Hashtag ignorance make me angry. Menstruation is called period because back in the day when women's bodies weren't as polluted, all it was a tummy dollar. If your parents don't have children, chances are you won't either. Just found out that my birthday is the same day as when I was born. Life is crazy. Stop drinking. Remember last night? Yeah, but I wasn't really drunk. Dude, you almost jumped down from the 15th floor singing I Believe I Can Fly. Maybe he could. Like if you'll date me. I'm super curious. No one's gonna like because I'm ugly enough, but whatever. Well, I guess your prediction was right. Savage! It was savage!
I told my mom's crush she got me my own. My mom would've got me my own coffin. Really, I got 5 kids. Brayden, Jaden, Caden, Zayden, Hayden. Well, damn, bitch, okay then. Love finds you. Well, does this bitch need my address? Y'all quick to tell people McDonald's is unhealthy. Sis, what about that relationship you in, stupid ass bitch? Some people wake up finding messages like, "Good morning, baby." I wake up to battery full, remove charger. Y'all are planning on coming to school mad, but end up laughing first period. I hate my own attitude sometimes, like, bitch, what the fuck you mad about now? So, my bitch-ass neighbor called the police because I was smoking on the balcony. The police get here and asked where the weed at. I said, I smoked it up. They said, where'd you buy it? I said, from the neighbor. Now there it is. So I was looking, searching his shit. The guy in the store on himself said, "Susan, I'm in my car on my way." So I yelled, "No, he's not," because nobody lies to Susan in front of me.
Murder-Aside Joe is a good man. LMAO, the fuck you mean murder-aside? Guinevere Beck fully knowing everybody in fucking New York could see her. But she hearts through your posts. Alright, you next. This how Joe was stalking Beck, and somehow she still never saw his ass.
If there's a New Jersey, where's the old one? The U.S. government is hiding too many secrets. Damn, I just hit my head really hard. I think I might have a collocation. Native American Indians need to move back to India. I'm sick of immigration. I think I have ADHD. I don't understand why people always say that the Mona Lisa is Leonardo da Vinci's best work. I really liked his role in Titanic.
Rips to all the survivors of 9/11. The Titanic is obviously fake because how did they record it when they're all like dying in the water? If your parents don't have children, chances are you won't either. Just found out that my birthday is the same day as when I was born. Life is crazy. I'd rather kill myself than commit suicide. I got a tattoo today. Oh cool, what'd you get? A tattoo. If the goalkeeper is allowed to pick up the ball, then why doesn't he just pick it up and run across the field to the other goal? Is he dumb? Ebola has reached Dallas. I'm packing my bags and moving to Texas. I can't stay in a disease country any longer.